Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Event. And today I am doing a video on how to create the perfect Trader Joe's floral arrangement. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take this beautiful bunch of roses. Let me zoom out just a little bit. This beautiful bunch of roses that I just got at Trader Joe's, you guys saw. And we are going to put it in this Dollar Tree vase. So what we're going to do first is you will use Scotch tape. Unfortunately, in my office, I cannot find any kind of Scotch tape. This is horrible. But you're going to do the exact same thing that you would do with this clear floral tape. It'll be the same thing. The only difference between this floral tape, it's like 1.5 inch, where Scotch tape is probably a little bit thicker. So you're not going to do as many crisscrosses as you would do. So I'll just show you how you would do it with Scotch tape. So you're just going to put one across, and then one on the other side. And you're just going to make a grid, or tic-tac-toe, what I like to call it. One on the other. And then you're going to do one more here. And then to secure it, because since Scotch tape is not waterproof, you are going to go ahead, make sure those ladies, you're going to take the Scotch tape and you're going to go around the outer sides so that it's double secure. So that's basically all you're going to do. And the reason why we're doing this is because it helps to, like, once you put the flowers, they don't move. Normally what you would do if you were just doing like a regular bouquet, you would use your filler first, then insert your flowers, so that would help it from not moving. But since we're going to do this, this is so much easier. So now we are going to open up our lovely flowers. And I thought this was such a beautiful bunch. Oh, look, I broke one of the roses. So what we're going to do with that is we are going to take, you won't have this problem, but I do. So we are just going to create a stem. This is what you would do if you were making a boutonniere. And go right here. Okay, so what we're going to do with this is we're just going to take everything out, and we are going to, they basically put it in a beautiful bouquet. They basically put it in a beautiful bouquet themselves, but we're just going to reinforce it. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut these off on the side and stick those in the water. And those are your focal. Let's put those in there. We are going to put in the middle, they had the hydrangea. And our main thing is, what I loved about this is that they did not have, let's go out a little bit more so you can see it better. They did not have, like a lot of times, what makes your flowers get bad quick is the greens that are in it. So I want to cut this one just a little bit lower. So we got that in there. We're going to cut this. She will be our focal in the middle. And then our roses will go, I'm gonna take this off because I don't like that, on the side, but we want middle high, sides lower. And we're just gonna stick this on that side. Where's my broken one? We'll stick her on this side. Oh, we have one more. Let's put this kind of focal in here. Perfect. Let's see, we have one more. Rose. Let's take her off. Let's put her a little lower down there. Now that's all our main flowers. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take all this filler and we're going to strip all this off, because this is what kills your flowers really quick. And then we're just going to stick this filler in wherever we please to make it gorgeous. And just take out the ones that you have and see how easy it is when you have that grid. Nothing moves. Let me see, I think I want to cut this a little bit lower. Nothing moves. Everything kind of stays in its rightful place. So that is beautiful. I like this. Okay. I want it to keep the center high and the sides, we want to kind of bring it out. We need something right here. Now I think so you're just trying to work and bring balance into your arrangement. And put that right there. And then we just have this. We're going to put that in here. I don't like how it smells so good. And we're just going to put clusters of this in there. Let's put some in the, let's bring a little out. Let's see right here. Oh, that's so pretty. In. Now we're just going to tuck sides. And maybe I want the sunflower just to come up just a little bit more. She should have been pointing a little bit more out this way, but it is what it is. It's not going to hurt. And there you have it. We are totally done with the arrangement. Nice and everything is secured in. We could give it to a friend. They would think you've paid more than $12.99 for this. Simple and easy. The trick, like I said, is using some type of tape, which you can use Scotch tape to give you a floral grid so that when you put in the flowers, they stay secure. And then making sure that you cut your flowers and making sure you cut your flowers and not getting any green. What I will do now is I will flush this. So let me do that real quick and I'll be right back. All right, so all I did was I flushed, and all I did was ran water ran water into it till it ran out to get most of the green and get a little bit more clear water in there. And you have a beautiful bouquet that you're able to give family and friends for $12 and $1 for the vase. So $12.99, $13, $14. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and share or subscribe to my channels. I always do DIYs, florist vlogs, and review of different products. And I'll see you next time. Bye.